Morning everyone, we're back at a house. I showed you a little video earlier on. This is what someone built for this guy, and unfortunately not what he was looking for. It had some decent sound, but the problem was it leaked. It actually dripped back in, and the back, most of it was flowing behind it. So we're gonna rebuild this, fix this, and put him a new waterfall in this little space. So keep watching, you'll see a time lapse started right about now. Anything wrong they could have done. They just had liner on there, no underlayment. The liner stopped in the middle area, and they had a little spillway that the liner was below in a pipe, so it just leaked right out the back. Their parts to hold it all in place were broken pieces of brick and garbage, so we got it all ripped out. We're gonna just clean up the area, go dump the material, get some liner, underlayment, and some boulders in here. So you probably just saw a video of me diving to get a couple little pieces that fell in there, and most of it was little stuff that I guess it's fallen in over time. The waterfall pretty well set through here. We got a lot of the boulders set. We got our spill stones and frame rocks in, some edge rocks. We've got a piece of bluestone slab that has to go in. That's going to go in first thing in the morning. Great progress. It was hot. There's 4 of us here. We're gonna finish rocking this out, be back in the morning and get this thing finished up so this family can enjoy their backyard. I didn't do one first thing when I got here. It's about 10:30. We are kicking butt on this. We're up to the spillway. He's working on getting the existing pipe put in for our new spillway up there. But everything else is framed on the front. The sides are all framed up. We've got a couple of small rocks over here to set, some gravel, but we're gonna be out of here much earlier than even expected. Hey guys, so we're here and I'm finishing up the front work, getting some of the liner and underlayment come back in, a little piece of moss and everything. So let me take you in. I'll show you. One is all finished. So, took this apart and built a new waterfall into his pool. Day and a half, I and the guys. Couple of tons of boulders, not a very big area. Everything was done by hand. The removal was done by hand.